each day you feel like giving up, I pray you find a reason to hold on. Even one thing that can make you smile is a prayer answered, this I know. For each day you've lived is all by grace, so I know that grace still holds you here. Even though the things that hurt like hell are all part of God's good story. Oh, I thank God that you're in my life. You bring just the right amount of sass and loving words. Oh, I couldn't find a friend who's just like you.
Good morning, guys. How you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing great. So welcome back to another vlog. The clip you guys saw before was me practically dropping Martin's, getting him ready and then taking him to school. So finally they have he has started. They have started. Not only him, the whole class has resumed school to have resumed school. Not the whole class anyway. What am I saying? So the thing is that this whole pandemic stuff is really turning things upside down, seriously. I mean, every time they are changing rules, they are changing procedures, they are changing a lot of things, which I know they're trying to take precautions, but kind of like at times makes the parents' plans disorganized in a way. So before, what we usually do is to do a test within 24 hours that they found any case in their class, in whatever class. So, but now the procedure has changed as well. So right now, once a case is found in the class, all the students in the class, the PP or whatever, they are going to do it's a test within the 24 hours. And then they're going to go home for quarantine for about 10 days. And after which they're going to go to another test as well. And then those that are negative will be considered to return back to school. So yesterday we went to do Martin's test, the second one. And thank God, God being faithful, it was still the same negative. And those that are negative are those that are resuming today. So Martins has been at home for the past 12 days, if I'm not mistaken. He has been studying online, and God, it has been so healthy because I practically have all of them at home, being that in their various classes, there were cases of COVID. So today, I finally took him to school, and seriously speaking, not all of them were present in the school today. So that's to show you the gravity of this situation and the whole thing, okay? So those that are still positive are still back home. They're going to continue with the online classes. And Michael is still at home. He's still at home. He's still going through the online classes. They have done the first test, which is within 24 hours of notice. And we are waiting for the school to get in contact with the hospital so that they can issue out the letters which the parents usually use to go and do this test. Okay, the way it is done here is that it is either done with a letter from your doctor to go and do it, an issued letter from a doctor to go and do it, or an issued letter from the school to go and do it, or if you are going to do it personally, it's going to be on payment. So the school usually issue out these letters to parents so that we can go there and do it. So that's what we are waiting for Michael's class right now. But in the meantime, they are going to still be going on online classes until this letter is being issued. And the problem as well is that the school don't accept any result from the pharmacy, which would have made it more easier for parents to do. But any test done from the pharmacy is not accepted. It has to be the central location where this test is usually carried out. So that's the situation. But see, seriously, guys, I must say that I'm very grateful to God. I truly appreciate God because He has been faithful. Okay, even in the midst of all the stress, even in the midst of all the battling, I know it's not easy having all of them at home, and I know it's not easy doing online classes. It's very healthy. If you don't have experience, you won't understand. If any of you have experience of this, you will totally understand what I'm saying. So, you know, going online classes and following two people, in fact, following the four of them, because even the twins, they are also online classes. So it has been healthy, but I seriously appreciate God. I think I prefer the stress than anyone coming home here with a positive test. No. So that's the situation, guys. Please pardon the noise. They are all awake. I just came in from dropping my things now. They are all awake, and I'm just going to go and attend to them, brushing them up, you know, clean them up. We're going to have a bath this morning, and then I'm going to prepare some breakfast for them. And welcome to another vlog, guys. This is my life as a mom. Mom life is not easy, but hey, we got to move on. Welcome, guys. See you guys on my next clip. Bye.
'Cause you're wonderfully made as the only you. On the days it's hard to leave your bed,
Starts now.
know that we still love you just the same.
Good job.
Every weight you've carried here isn't too much for us to receive. Oh, I think I've got a journey.
So you guys should brush, okay? When you are done, tell mommy, okay?
The depth of love we have for you.
Good job, Lele. Good job. Good job.
There's no doubt.
Yes, good job, Essie.
'Cause you're here with me. I'm so glad you're here. 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 I'm so glad you're here.
I'm so glad you're here. I'm so glad you're here.
Let me give you your own, okay? Poi grande. Sì. Honey.
On each day you feel like giving up. That's when you find reason to hold on. Even one thing that can make you smile is a prayer answered. This I know.
Take your hands out.
For each day So I know that grace
Buon
still holds
appetito.
you.
Appetito, dici grazie.
Grazie mommy. Grazie mommy.
Prego.
Are all part of God's good story. Oh, I thank God that you're in my life. You bring just the right amount of sad and loving words. Oh, I couldn't find a friend who's just like you. 'Cause you're wonderfully made as the only you.
Guys, it's time for me to have my own.
Oh.
This is my own.
Mommy.
Yes, this is my own.
Okay. It's your mommy.
You want to eat mommy's own too? After you have finished your own, you want to eat my own. It's already finished. This is just what is in menu. Aggie, you're eating. Aggie, you're eating. Okay, mommy, I will now. Wow. Nkunu really was wow. Abi? Thank you. Thank you. This was my food though. It's my own, no. It's not you put so. Thank you. Wait now. Okay, you come and let Mama eat.
Okay.
Carlo, Biana. You don't hear now. You will give me later. Oh, you hear, Bobo? So that you hear, Bobo now. Okay, yeah, put it open now. Okay.
Money.
Yeah. I suppose that Ellery. What I don't want to go now. So na nia. Ina nia.
Mommy. Potato. Potato, mommy.
The question is going
Mommy,
to
I
I should start attentive in my own food. My own food. Like seriously.
No.
Guys, yo.
Wow.
I finished my juice already.
Mommy.
It's my food.
Mommy,
Thank you.
welcome.
Guys, this is how we do it though.
Yeah.
Of my life.
You children don't allow me to eat this thing.
What?
They like it so much and they'll just pick the fruit.
Okay.
I should eat.
Okay. Okay.
If I finish picking the fruit now,